Let's talk a little about the SMA. I mean, Smaller Manufacturers Association, really based in Waterbury, and really grew up in Waterbury. And you've had some other names. I think at one point was the Waterbury's Manufacturers Association at one time or something. But it's a really great group. And I mean, you and I have talked about it offline. I have an opportunity to get engaged with it. I think it's one of Connecticut's great strengths is all these great groups we have. And I wonder if you might just share with the audience, like kind of your experience with the SMA in particular, what the value you've got, why you've been so engaged in it, and why someone should want to be engaged.
Sure. So I was involved in the SMTA and some other groups, and I was looking around for something more local to our Torrington facility. Mm-hmm. And so something came across my desk one day about the SMA, the Smaller Manufacturers of Connecticut. And I said, hey, I got to look into this. So I gave Cindy Zoldi a call. She was the executive director at the time, and she was just so energetic and positive, and invited me to a meeting. And then I joined and started attending the meetings, and then she and the others invited me to join the board of directors. So it was a very dynamic group, very open, wanting to bring in women in the manufacturing industry, and it's been fantastic working with them. I really love hearing the stories about other small manufacturers and how they're solving problems, and just collaborating and learning how they're attracting new hires and what they're doing to train. And it's been a wonderful experience.